Hey everyone, this is cabin 5143. This is a deluxe interior, normal interior cabin. As you can see, you walk right in. The bed is here to the back. It is in its king configuration, or it could be two twins. You just have to separate it. There's no power up by the headboards, so you do have nightstands and there's lights, but there's no power there. Over here next to the bed, from a power standpoint, you have two European, two US, and one USB. There's a mini fridge, a table, a stool, nice big lighted mirror. You have two sides of the closet. You have a safe, a couple drawers, plenty of hanging, but just those two closets. Behind Lisa is your TV area. Nice big mirror that you have when you come in here for dressing. And then we have the bathroom. Love the bathroom. Toilet's in a great place. It's a decent sized bathroom. Nice big mirror, got makeup mirror. Shower is also nice and generous. There you go. Love this. We have an interior cabin up in the yacht club. We'll see what the difference is between the two. Ciao.